Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop the Adobe Acrobat Update Service on your Windows computer. If you're tired of unexpected updates, background activity, or just want to take control over when Adobe Acrobat updates itself, this quick tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll not only know how to turn off the update service, but you'll also understand what's happening behind the scenes, and you'll have a smoother, quieter computer experience because of it. Let's dive right in. First up, we'll access the Services tool in Windows. This is where your computer manages all the various programs and background processes that run automatically. To get there, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. If you're on a laptop, you might need to hold down the FN key as well. This brings up a little box in the corner called the Run dialog. It's a handy way to quickly open important utilities without clicking through lots of menus. In the Run box, type Services MSC. That's services.msc. Then hit Enter or click OK. Don't worry if it takes a second. Your computer is opening the full list of background services. What we're doing here is kind of like opening the backstage door at a theater, seeing all the moving parts that keep your computer running. Now that you're in the Services window, you'll see a long list of descriptions with names that might look a little mysterious. Scroll through slowly until you find Adobe Acrobat Update Service. In some cases, it might also be named Adobe ARM Service. If you're having trouble finding it, try clicking anywhere on the list, then press the A key on your keyboard to jump to all the entries starting with A. Take your time here. You want to be sure you're working with the right service. Once you've located it, double-click that entry. This opens up a separate properties window just for this service, which is where we make our changes. Here's where the magic happens. Under Startup Type, you'll see a few options in a drop-down menu. Right now, this is probably set to Automatic, meaning Windows starts this service every time your computer turns on. We want to stop this and set it to Disabled. Go ahead and select Disabled from the list. What this does is it tells Windows not to even try starting this service in the future. Now, if the service is currently running, you'll see an option to stop it right there in the window. Click this button to shut down the Adobe Update Service immediately. It's a bit like turning off a faucet so nothing is trickling in the background. Sometimes the stopping process takes a few moments. Just be patient and let your computer work. Last but not least, to lock in your changes, click Apply and then OK. This saves everything so your settings stick, even if you restart your computer later. That's it. Your Adobe Acrobat Update Service won't automatically run, and you've just taken control over those updates. If you want updates in the future, you can always come back and reverse these steps. Switch Startup Type back to Automatic and start the service again. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any issues. I love hearing your feedback and helping out whenever I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, helpful tutorials just like this. See you next time.